Hey guys, and welcome to our next vlog. I've decided to get a tattoo. I don't know why. In fact, right now as we drive towards the place, I am wondering why I decided to do this. The person that I'm going to, I actually just got recommendation from my hairstylist because she has quite a few tattoos from her as well. And also, weirdly enough, one day I went to a coffee shop and I saw that the waitress had really cute tattoos, and I asked her, where did you get it done? And she recommended the same person. So then I thought, this person must be really good. Checked out her Instagram account, really like what she did. And also as a female, I heard that it is kind of nicer to go to a female as well because they're a little bit more gentle. I don't know if that's true, but that's what we're doing today. Her name is Nelly and the name of the studio is Studio S in Jönköping. I have been thinking about the pain. I've done some research, and all the articles I've read, I've watched YouTube videos as well, and they basically say that, you know, it's not advisable to take any kind of painkiller that thins your blood, and also that the pain is short-lived, so you should be able to get through it. I guess if you're getting like a massive tattoo, then there are things you need to do to prepare for that, like bring something for your blood sugar so that you can eat something, but yeah, mine is going to be really small, so I'm hoping that it doesn't hurt that much, but I guess we will find out soon. And yeah, so also I haven't really figured out the designs, like what I want to get yet. I know that I want a cross, and I know that I want like Hebrew text on my arm as well, which which I will show you. But basically that's what we're gonna get done, and when I get there we're gonna figure out the design because we haven't done it before. And if you've subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you have not, then go ahead, hit the subscription button below so you can see when we upload new videos. One down, one to go. So here is the finished results. This is Hebrew, and it actually spells out Yahweh, which is the name of God in the Old Testament, and it means I am. And then this, oh, so cute. This is a cross with a little heart. So yeah, overall, I thought it would be much more painful than it actually was. Overall, it was really, really awesome. Thank you so much, Nelly, for this tattoo, which I think you did really well.
Thank you.
Yes?
You did good as well.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself and your studio?
Okay. I've been tattooing for 5 years now, and I've been in the industry for like 8 years. And I've been here in Jönköping 3 years now, I think.
Okay.
And so I do like most like flower stuff, like fine line stuff.
But you have some really cool tattoos as well.
Yeah, thank you. It's a lot.
Yes.
But you get addicted, so.
I hope not for myself. But
We'll see.
But thank you so much. It was awesome, and I think I really felt that you were very gentle, and I got good recommendations from you from a lot of people in Jönköping. So
That's good.
yeah. So if you are ever in Jönköping and you're looking for a tattoo, I highly recommend coming to Nelly to get your tattoo done. Okay guys, so I thought I would just give you a quick update about what the process was like. So basically it was much less painful than I imagined. As I said, I thought it would be super painful, and actually it was probably, I would say, like 5 out of 10. It really wasn't bad. There were certain pieces, moments, I would say, on the skin where it did feel worse than other places, but overall it really was manageable. And as I said, Nelly was super sweet. She's so kind, she's very gentle, and she kept asking if I was okay, if I want to take a break, which is awesome, and I think you need that, especially when you're doing something for the first time and you're scared. And then the actual time for the tattoo was not that long. It took 15 minutes for each of mine, and the time I think that we spent the most on was probably preparing, discussing whether I wanted this or that, what the design should look like, and what the size should be. So overall, it doesn't take very long, and especially if you know exactly what you're going to get. And then the cost of this in Sweden, I guess I can only tell you what mine cost. They were very small, and it should have been about 150 euro. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.